Imagine owning a car that's older than your parents and costs more than a private island. This isn't just any Ferrari, this is the Ferrari 250 GTO, a rare beast from the 1960s that recently sold for a jaw-dropping $70 million. But what makes this old-school car worth more than a Bugatti, a Rolls-Royce, and a private jet combined? Let's find out. The Ferrari 250 GTO was built between 1962 and 1964, and only 36 cars were ever made. The GTO stands for Gran Turismo Omologato, a fancy Italian way of saying it was built to race. Under the hood, it had a 3.0-liter V12 engine producing around 300 horsepower, which was insane at the time. It could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.4 seconds and reach a top speed of 174 miles per hour. And remember, this was the early 60s. The design, sleek, aggressive, and absolutely iconic, a true masterpiece by Ferrari engineer Gioacchino Colombo and designer Sergio Scaglietti. So how did it become the most expensive car in the world? In 2018, a private collector bought one for an estimated $70 million, making it the most expensive car sale ever. What made it so valuable? First, rarity. With only 36 made, and most locked away by billionaires, these cars almost never go up for sale. Second, racing history. The 250 GTO dominated GT racing in its era, including wins in Le Mans, Tour de France Automobile, and more. And third, legacy. This isn't just a car, it's a status symbol, a piece of Ferrari's soul, and a museum-worthy artifact on wheels. These cars have had some crazy owners and stories. Ralph Lauren, the fashion tycoon, owns one. So does Nick Mason, the drummer from Pink Floyd, and yes, he still races it at events. One GTO was even involved in a court case over a replica being sold as real. The drama in the Ferrari world is real. And here's a wild fact, even a wrecked and rebuilt GTO can sell for tens of millions. That's how strong its brand is. Driving a 250 GTO isn't like driving a modern supercar. There's no touchscreen, no automatic gear shift, no driver assist. It's just you, the road, and a roaring V12 engine that makes your spine vibrate. And because it's so rare, most owners don't even drive them. They keep them in temperature-controlled garages or display them in private museums. But every now and then, one shows up at a vintage race or luxury auction, and the whole car world stops to look. The Ferrari 250 GTO isn't just a car, it's history, art, performance, and passion, all rolled into one legendary machine. Would you spend $70 million on it if you had the money? Let me know in the comments. And if you love rare car stories like this one, don't forget to subscribe for more legends on wheels.